Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that can literally change your life. Rich mindset versus poor mindset. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and success effortlessly, while others struggle to get ahead? Spoiler alert, it's not just about money, it's about how you think. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a wealthier, more successful life, keep watching. Music shifts to a more serious tone. Let's start by talking about the poor mindset. Now, this isn't about judging anyone, it's about understanding the patterns that hold people back. A poor mindset is often characterized by fear, scarcity, and limiting beliefs. For example, I'll never be rich. Money is the root of all evil. I don't have enough time, resources, or opportunities. People with a poor mindset tend to focus on short-term gratification, blame external circumstances for their problems, and avoid taking risks. They often see money as something finite, like there's only so much to go around. But here's the truth. Your mindset creates your reality. If you believe you'll never succeed, you're already setting yourself up for failure. Music shifts to an uplifting tone. Now, let's talk about the rich mindset. This is where the magic happens. People with a rich mindset think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They believe in abundance, not scarcity. Here are some key traits of a rich mindset. I can create wealth. Money is a tool to create freedom and impact. Every failure is a lesson that brings me closer to success. Rich-minded individuals focus on long-term goals, invest in themselves, and take calculated risks. They don't wait for the perfect moment, they create it. And most importantly, they understand that wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset, habits, and consistent action. Split-screen visuals. Let's break it down even further. Here are the key differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset. Rich mindset focuses on growth and learning. Poor mindset stays stuck in comfort zones. Rich mindset takes responsibility for their life. Poor mindset blames others or circumstances. Rich mindset invests in assets and opportunities. Poor mindset spends on liabilities and short-term pleasures. Rich mindset believes in abundance. Poor mindset operates from scarcity. The good news? You can change your mindset. It's not about where you start, it's about the direction you're heading. Motivational visuals. So, how do you make the shift? Here are 3 actionable steps to start developing a rich mindset today. Educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from successful people. Knowledge is power. Change your self-talk. Replace negative thoughts like, I can't with how can I? Your words shape your reality. Take action. Start small. Invest in yourself, set goals, and take consistent steps toward your dreams. Remember, your mindset is like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. Inspirational music. At the end of the day, your mindset is the foundation of your success. Whether you're building a business, investing, or pursuing your passion, how you think will determine how far you go. So ask yourself, are you operating from a rich mindset or a poor mindset? And more importantly, what's one small step you can take today to move closer to the life you deserve? If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you have the power to change your life. It all starts with your mindset. Let's go out there and create the success we deserve. See you in the next video. Upbeat music, channel logo, and call to action text on screen. Subscribe for more mindset and motivation videos.